Hi, I'm Macklin from QBSourcing. If you have an e-commerce retail store, you may ask yourself many times, do I need a dropshipping agent to replace AliExpress? How can they help me to boost my sales? Where can I find a dropshipping agent that I can trust? In this video, let's dive deep into the topic to get the answers. When you start running your e-commerce business, AliExpress is a good place to go. You can use the DSOS app to connect to your store to AliExpress products start to sell. However, as time passes, your daily orders volume increases, and you may find there are so many problems. For example, sometimes the quality of the product you're running is suddenly corrupted. The price unexpectedly rises, or even the product link is gone. You may find that the shipping speed is so slow and your customer keep complaining, or even ask for a chargeback. And then you want to ask the AliExpress seller what's going on there. You may find that they don't even speak English. All that stuff made you always hold back to scale your business because of these high risks on AliExpress. So, you finally made your decision to try to switch to a dropship agent to manage your business. The first thing you should keep in mind is that AliExpress is a B2C platform, so what they care about the most is their AliExpress store sales volume. Only with a high volume they can stand out on this platform. To achieve this goal, they may choose a low quality version of a product to sell it cheap to beat the competitors. Sometimes they put a hot product on the store at a low price which is not profitable in a short period, just to drive traffic and then delete it. A lot of these kind of tricks make you overwhelming. While the dropshipping agent is doing the B2B business, they care about your store sales volume. They grow with you together, so they are willing to build a strong and long-term relationship with you. They devote all their time and energy to work with their client, which is you, to helping growing your business. As a result, working with a dropship agent has many benefits. Fast shipping. The biggest reason our customers choose us for fulfillment is that we offer fast shipping. So how fast is the shipping speed? On average, AliExpress shipping time is 15 to 25 days. Our fast shipping method is much more efficient. For example, to the USA average is 5 to 7 days, and to the Europe average is 4 to 6 days. And we also provide a pro fast shipping method. It will additionally save you 1 to 3 days based on our fast shipping method. This will significantly improve your customer shopping experience, and money will go into your pocket from the platform more quickly. Lower price with high quality. The price includes two parts, product fee and shipping fee. The product price is highly dependent on the quality. Typically, we can categorize a product into two groups, general quality and high quality. Unlike AliExpress sellers, we choose high quality products. And what's more, we will do the quality check one by one to make sure your customer receive excellent products. So they may more likely to give you positive reviews and your sales will boost quickly. So our product fee is a little higher. As we mentioned before, we use the fast shipping method, so our shipping fee is also a little higher. Sorry? You may wonder, I just remember you said there's a lower price, right? Oh yes, don't worry, let me tell you. Because AliExpress is a platform charging a minimum 8% platform fee for each order. And what's more, the sellers are paying more money to promote on the platform, so the final fee goes up rapidly. Since we're not on AliExpress, although we choose a high quality product and a fast shipping method, our total fee is still lower than AliExpress in most cases. Amazing, right? And that's the reason why every successful dropshipping business has a dropship agent behind. Fulfillment automation support. Fulfillment automation is very important for a dropshipping business because it will save you a lot of time and make everything run smoothly. A robust software system is needed. For example, if you are running a Shopify store, just search in the App Store for QBSourcing and there comes our app. Once you install, our agent will confirm with you the product you want shipped from us. And then We will process the related orders every day, send you a daily invoice with detailed information. And now, you don't have to deal with so many AliExpress sellers in a headache. You only have to communicate with the agent, and then the system will fulfill the related orders in your Shopify store using our tracking numbers. Another thing for advantage, if you prefer not to having the tracking info from China, we can configure it to use the last mile tracking number instead. So, it's very convenient for you to just relax and have all orders under control. Let me tell you from our experience, many of our clients keep running the store so well, even when they are on long vacations. In some cases, for example, if you are selling on Etsy, you don't want to connect to any ERP for some security concern. You can either use Excel or Google Sheet to send orders to us, and then we can import your orders into our system, which you also have access and handle them efficiently. Okay, we've listed several benefits of having a dropshipping agent above. If you want to learn more, just go to our website or leave a comment below. We're always glad to communicate with you. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.